Sandbox, self-service data furniture.
So, your boss is meeting a partner. He needs to know the impact of China's tariffs on the funds. Now.
Sounds simple, right? But your data is absolutely everywhere.
You know the drill. It's stuck in PDFs, Excel, and old databases.
So what are your options? Raise an IT ticket and wait? Or spend the entire day wiring it yourself?
And the clock is ticking. In fact, that meeting has already started. But what if you could get those answers in minutes, not days?
Well, at CX Data Labs, that's why we built the Sandbox. It's a self-service governed environment. Your analysts move fast with guardrails built for scale.
With just one click, you get a secure, ready-to-use analytics environment.
It connects to your data, it's governed by your policies, and it's ready in minutes.
So your analysts can focus on logic, we handle the scaling.
You can collaborate in real time and publish your insights securely.
It's agility with accountability, so your team can innovate with total confidence.
We're empowering analysts to turn tough questions into confident decisions.
The Sandbox by CX Data Labs. Innovation starts here.